Brandt daroff home exercise for BPPV because the posterior canal is the commonest. So what you do is take a hand and press it like a pillow like this. So if you are doing for the left side, you have to rotate. Don't rotate the head all the way to the shoulder like that. You just do 45 degrees. This is 90 degree if you rotate all the way from front like this. So that's 90 degree. You just rotate half, 45 degree. So place it on the left side, rotate half, then lie on one side of the bed like that. Your head should be up, fixed to a point. In the ceiling, you just look at a point and wait for half a minute or till your giddiness goes off. So you just fix this position for half a minute or till your giddiness goes off. Okay, I am no more giddy. I have now come back to this position and wait for another half a minute. Then rotate to the left at 45 degrees, not fully 90, just make it 45, half rotation like that. And then I'll go to the right side. And now I'll look at a fixed point in the ceiling and sit here for half a minute. Okay, I am no more giddy. I'll come back and sit in this position for another half a minute. So half minute down, up half minute, half minute, half minute. That makes 2 minutes in total. That's one cycle. You have to do this 10 times. This exercise is for posterior canal BPPV. If your doctor has diagnosed you with posterior canal BPPV, this is what you are going to do. Now, let's do log rolling exercise for lateral canal BPPV. For lateral canal, what you do is go to the bed, sleep. Now, if you have a right lateral canal problem, you start with the right. Okay, I'm having right lateral canal BPPV, so I'll start with the right side. I'm feeling giddy. I'll wait for half a minute. Okay, half a minute is gone. I don't feel giddy anymore. I go up. I don't feel giddy. Half a minute is gone. I'll turn to this side. I'm no more giddy. I'll go this side. I don't feel giddy anymore. I'll come back to the original position like this. So start with here. Half minute, half minute, half minute, half minute, half minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes 2.5 minutes for lateral canal to complete one rotation. And you can do that 10 times. So that's for lateral canal BPP. For superior canal, you have to head hanging exercise, and superior canal are very rare, unless, very few people will have that problem. So hang the head like that from the bed. If you have a friend, they can give a support to your head. And wait till your giddiness goes off. After giddiness goes off, with the chin will touch the chest. Sit like that, and you can do repeatedly, around 10 times you can do.